Anybody got a prescription, yeah, for this love pain? Anybody got a pill like a pop for this love pain? Anybody...
Hello everyone, it's Keisha from Drink Coffee Make Stuff. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a plan with me in my classic Wild Style Happy Planner. This is the planner that I use for my catch-all planner, and so I'm going to be planning for the week of December 14th through the 20th. I cannot believe that 2020 is almost over. Thank goodness. I'm ready to see what 2021 has to hold for everyone. So I'm just ready to get to it. So what I've done, I've pulled all of my Christmas sticker books. I've bought them, so I have to use them. I've got to get better about using the things that I have. So for the month of December, I am using Christmas stickers in pretty much all of my planners. So I'm going to see what I can pull out from these today. So I will go ahead and speed the video up, and when I finish, I'll be back. All right, y'all, that's it. I'm going to stop right there. I'll probably find something to go over on the sidebar. I'm not sure, but I kind of like how that turned out. I'm going to go ahead and put it back on the disc. So, yeah, that's kind of cute. I like this. And what I'll probably do is I'll probably make a daily page that kind of matches this one. So, but I think that turned out really cute. So, all right, guys, so that's it. If you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. And if you want to see more videos, make sure you click the subscribe button. And until next time, happy planning.